kindergarten friends. It's so good to see you today. I bet you're wondering what Mrs. Updike's doing outside. I was practicing my basketball skills, but by the looks of it, I should be teaching word work right now. I'm so glad I was bouncing my basketball because today we are going to be learning the letter B. That's right, friends. So get those dry erase boards, marker and erasers ready, and meet me back to talk about what the letter B looks like, how to write it, and what sound it makes. See you soon.
Welcome back, kindergarten friends. It is time to identify and write the uppercase and lowercase b. Let's get started. This is the uppercase B. Mrs. Optic knows it's the uppercase B because it has a straight line down, and then it comes back to the top, and it curves around to the middle, and it curves around to the bottom. Mrs. Optic thinks of it as having two big bellies. This is the uppercase B. This is the lowercase b. Mrs. Optic knows it's the lowercase b because it has a small circle and then a tall line in front of it. This is the lowercase b. So let's play a game of stand up, sit down. You're gonna stand up if the letter I show you is the uppercase B. You're gonna sit down if it is not. Go ahead, show me, is it the uppercase B? Wow, so many of you jumped right up. This is the uppercase B. I see that straight line down, and I see one big belly and two big bellies. How about this one? Is this uppercase B? I see a straight line down, and I see a belly. Oh, so many of you sat right down. Why is that? Oh my goodness, you were so right. This letter only has one belly. A B needs a belly to the middle like this, but then it needs a belly to the bottom. This is not uppercase B. All right, take a look at this one. I see a belly. Oh, no one's standing back up. Oh, Mrs. Opdike sees, I see a straight line down, and now there's one belly again that goes all the way to the bottom. A B has two bellies. It goes around to the middle and then to the bottom. This is not uppercase B. How about this one? Oh my goodness, Kennedy, you stood right up. Look at all my friends. This is the uppercase B. I see it, that straight line down, and that two bellies, one to the middle and one to the bottom. All right, so let's switch gears to the lowercase b. Stand up if it's lowercase b, sit down if it's not. What do you think? That's right, Rylan. That is lowercase b. It has that circle and that long, tall, straight line in front of it. Oh, it looks like another lowercase b. Oh, I'm really confused. Some of you are standing up, some of you are sitting down. Let's take a closer look. All right, I see the circle and I see the tall line. Do you know what, friends? I think this is backwards. Doesn't this tall line go in front of the circle? It is not lowercase b. You can't be confused. This is lowercase d, like we learned a few weeks ago. You have to pay attention to where that long line is. Take a look at this one. Stand up or sit down. Hope everyone's still sitting down. Awesome job. It has a circle and it has a long line in front of it, but this long line goes past the circle to the bottom. That is not lowercase b. All right, last one. Stand up if it is, sit down if it isn't. Oh my goodness, everyone just popped right back up. This is lowercase b. It has that curvy circle and then that straight line down in front of it. Awesome job, friends. Let's get those dry erase boards, markers, and erasers ready now to write the uppercase and lowercase b. All right, friends, let's learn how to write the uppercase and lowercase b. Watch Mrs. Opdyke first. We are going to start with that straight line down. Then we're going to bring our pencil or marker back to the top, and we're going to curve from the top to the middle for the one belly, and then from the middle to the bottom for the other belly. You don't even need to lift that marker. So watch and do it with me again. Straight line down, hop back to the top. Now don't lift that pen. You're going to curve around to the middle and now around to the bottom. Go ahead, try it on your dry erase board and show your teacher. All right, now let's do the lowercase b. We're gonna make a small circle. Now remember, when we make that stick, we wanna come in front of the circle, and it's a tall stick. So we're gonna make that straight line down so it touches the circle. So a circle. Did you say no, Mrs. Opdyke? That's right, that is not B. Watch where you put that stick. Let's try it again. A circle and a stick in front. So go ahead, friends, and write your lowercase b. Be careful where you put that stick. It goes in front of the circle. Awesome job, my friends, writing uppercase and lowercase b. Put your dry erase board marker and eraser to the side and meet me back to talk about what sound the letter B makes. All right, boys and girls, let's talk about the sound that the letter B makes. Remember, Mrs. Opdyke was playing basketball because basket and ball both start with B. So when I think of the sound B makes, this is the action that I do. B, 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 like I'm bouncing a basketball. So do that with me at home. B, B, B. You can even add a little B, 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 because you shoot the basketball. So let's check out some pictures, my friends, and we're going to decide, does the object start with the letter B? Do we hear B at the beginning? Or does it not start with the letter B? All right. My first picture is of a bottle. Bottle does start with the letter B because when I say it, bottle, I hear B, B, bottle. I hear B at the beginning. Get ready to give your teacher a thumbs up if it starts with the letter B and a thumbs down if it doesn't. Boat. Maybe even say it to yourself at home. boat. If you're giving us a thumbs up, you are correct. Because when I say the word boat, boat, I hear b at the beginning. Dinosaur, dinosaur. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Does it start with the letter B? That's right, Matthew. Thumbs down. When I say dinosaur, my mouth even does something different. I hear dinosaur. I hear d, like the letter D. When I make the B sound, I say b. My lips start closed. How about this one? Panda. Panda. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down. That's correct. Panda. I hear panda. That's P like we learned last week. I did not hear b. How about bus? Bus. Maybe say it at home. What sound does your mouth make at the beginning? Thumbs up. You're right. Bus has b at the beginning. It does start with B. How about rain? Go ahead, say it with me. Rain. Yeah, I see friends saying, no way. It definitely does not say b. Whisper, what sound do you hear? You're right, I hear r, like R. And our last picture is of balloons. Balloons. That's right, my friends. If you had a thumbs up, balloons start with the letter B. I hear balloons. Boys and girls, we have identified the letter B. We have written the letter B. And we've talked about the sound it makes. Go ahead, one more time. Make that sound with me. B. All right, my friends, tune into your teacher and see what you're going to do with the letter B next.